This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Pheni recipe. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for this delightful dessert. You will need 100 grams of thin roasted vermicelli, approximately 4 cups of full-fat milk, and about 1/2 cup of sugar. Do not forget 1/4 teaspoon of fragrant green cardamom powder, which adds a warm, spicy note. Ensure all ingredients are measured and ready before you start cooking. Now, let us prepare the Pheni itself for cooking. Gently separate the delicate vermicelli strands with your fingers, preventing them from clumping together during the cooking process. If you prefer, lightly break the Pheni into smaller, more manageable pieces for easier serving. If your Pheni is not already roasted, quickly dry roast it in a dry pan over low heat for about 2 minutes until it becomes fragrant. This step enhances its nutty flavor and ensures even cooking. Next, we will create the rich, aromatic milk base for your Pheni. Pour the 4 cups of full-fat milk into a heavy-bottomed pot and bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat, stirring it frequently to prevent any scorching at the bottom. Once it begins to boil, reduce the heat to low and carefully add the 1/2 cup of sugar. Stir continuously until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Then incorporate the 1/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder for its delightful fragrance. Now it is time to bring everything together for our Pheni. Carefully add the 100 grams of prepared Pheni to the gently simmering milk. Continue cooking on low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring very gently to ensure the vermicelli cooks evenly and does not stick. You want the Pheni to soften and absorb the creamy milk, becoming tender but not turning into a mush. The entire dish will thicken slightly as it finishes cooking, creating that perfect consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.